I'm Nakshatra from grade 3. This is the bird feeder. I used a plastic bottle, a tube, a tape and a bird. First, I cut the bottom of the plastic bottle. Then I made a hole so that I can insert the tube. Then I put a tape so that the tube will be secured tightly. And then I stick the plastic bottle on the plate so that when the food falls down, the food will fall down on the plate. The food is falling. When we pour the bird food, it will fall down from the tube. Thank you.